Hello everyone. I haven't done with this machine like anything almost a year, sadly. But yesterday me and my friends changed the oil pan. Maybe I can show you the old one. Yeah, it's here. Totally broken. And I can tell you how we did this. First of all, we took out the airbox and this ventilation hose. Then we used a rope. We attached it to here. And we used a hook over there. Before that, before you can pull the engine like upwards to get the old oil pan and get the new one in, you need to loosen these engine pads, which are right here. Yeah, I know I got a shitty lighting, sorry about that. Then you pull the engine up and you can get the old oil pan out and the new one. Basically you can replace it. Yesterday I didn't have no oil, so right now I'm gonna pour some oil in and let's see if I can start this. This engine haven't worked like 2 years maybe, so I think there's probably I got some leaking or whatever weird sounds. That's totally normal. Like 2 years it just standed still. But let's see how well this goes. Okay, I have poured in like 3 liters and now I wait a little bit to see if there is any leaks, like maybe the gasket won't hold or whatever may happen. So if I pour all oil in, then I lose a little bit money. Of course I'm using the cheap one, but if you are using like expensive oil, then yeah, everything costs. So I will wait a little bit and check the possible leaks. Okay, I have waited like 10 minutes and the floor seems to be okay. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I know I have a shitty lighting. There is some old oil. It's not coming from this car, but yeah, the floor seems to be clean. So let's pour all the oil in, and I bet you don't want to see that. So okay, I have poured the oil in. It's M50 P20 with Vanos, so it takes 6 liters of oil. I have connected the battery and let's see if it starts. I really hope so. Okay, let's try. This thing is on neutral. Wow, it runs. Okay, that's a weird sound, but let me see. Okay, the oil indicator won't start up, so I think it's good. I want to see the engine also. It's kind of a bad sound, but let it work. Maybe it will smoothen out. I don't want to commit suicide, so I open the doors for the exhaust gases. Okay. To see if there is any oil leaks. It seems clean. Oh fuck, there is some damage over there too, what I need to repair. But at the moment I am quite happy. Okay, I'm back here. It's weird because the idling is totally okay. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, totally weird. I thought that it would be like some rough start or anything, something like that, but seems to be working like fine. There is a little bit knocking sound. Maybe it will go away, maybe it won't, I don't know. But at the moment I feel that I have accomplished something. Okay, one last update. If I give it a little bit gas, it's make really weird sounds. You hear the ticking sound? Maybe you can hear it better like that. Does anyone have any idea what this is? You need to let me know.